Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your lock, quarter turn lock, with a non-locking quarter turn knob. We have this high security locking mailbox and we think we may not need the locking feature anymore, other than perhaps when we're gone for extended periods of time and we're certain the post office is not going to hold our mail. That has happened several times with our local post office. I get an acknowledgement that mail hold is all set, and we show up 2 weeks later and our mailbox is full of mail. But anyway, on a day-to-day basis, having the key actually is kind of a pain in the ass if you live in a low theft area. So my plan is to remove the lock and replace it with just a twist knob, and if we need to put the lock back on, the lock can be put back on in less than a minute. I decided to put this one on. What's interesting about this, it has a locking feature. You can actually put a padlock through the bottom of it, through that hole right there, to keep it from twisting. So you could just put a regular lock on the outside of it, but I'm going to pull the old one off, put this one on, and then I'm going to show you what are the critical dimensions. And I'm going to show you the critical dimensions that you need in order to pick a quarter turn twist knob that will work. So on the right is the original locking knob, quarter turn, and on the left is my non-locking version. And besides obviously the mounting holes needing to be the same, this dimension from here to here is the most critical dimension. So you'll see on this one there's got a little offset, but the fact, and I've got on this particular one it's straight, but the distance from this point to this point is the same. This point to here and this point to here is the same. And I'll show you a chart here in a moment which shows what that dimension should be. This is what I'm going to do to substitute a non-locking knob for the existing locking knob. So here's my non-locking quarter turn knob installed. It took me less than a minute to put it in, but quarter turn opens up. And I can still put a padlock through the bottom of it if I want to, but this is going to work perfectly for normal everyday use. So if you found this video helpful or informative, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.